Hi, this is Peggy from War talking about digital banking transformation in the new normal. So my last video I was chatting about the limits we've seen in digital transformation actually due to the crisis. So that's a great opportunity actually to question what have been done so far. Prior to the crisis, you could start hearing some voices that were questioning the returns coming from the digital banking transformation. And I think the crisis really showed us the limitations and gave us the opportunity to think about what is the best approach of digital banking transformation in the new normal. So looking at that, I really think that we can leverage like 3 pillars to really rethink this transformation strategy. The first, obviously, is you need to integrate the new normal in your transformation strategy. We spoke in previous videos of the long-term impacts in terms of cost, in terms of revenue. Obviously, we know that there's going to be reshoring, we know there's going to be bankruptcy, we know we need to allow clients to work remotely, employees to work remotely, clients to interact remotely. So all of these insights should be included in the digital transformation strategy to really look at it top down versus bottom up. So that's really what's happening in the new normal and how does that influence my transformation strategy. The second thing is really the focus on the mission. I think it became quite apparent as well during the crisis that the banks had to be banks before technology companies, and even if it's very sexy to say you're a technology company, at the end of the day, what clients are interested in is the best products, the best advice, and the best service. So if you look at different surveys of why clients choose a bank, even millennial put fifth first, local branch second, and ATM network third. People don't care about the technology. They don't get up in the morning thinking, oh, what is the best technology bank A has versus bank B? No, they want things to work. So I think it's time to put back technology where it is as an enabler of client experience. That's and refocus again on the mission. Why do we have banks? To help clients reach the best financial wellness they can. That's really what's important. And the third pillar is about long-term value creation. We've seen over the years a lot of initiatives in financial institutions that were pretty much bottom-up, nice little widgets to discuss, I guess, at cocktail parties, and that might make things a bit excited and hype, but with zero financial return. So banks are not transforming for the pleasure of transforming. There is an objective that is long-term value creation. So it's important as well to prioritize the biggest pool of money and the largest impacts, and maybe drop the Silicon Valley lingo of fail fast and experiment. I don't think that makes much sense in financial institutions. So as Churchill said, never waste a good crisis. So now is the time to actually take a step back, question the dogma, and reposition your approach to digital transformation, because the new normal is going to be very different from the old normal. So you need to take that into consideration. So it was a pleasure being with you again today, and as always, looking forward to your feedback. Have a great day.